Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and I've been a full-time actor and a commercial model for over 30 years. I've booked over 1,200 jobs so far. And look, I've been really fortunate. I had a recurring role on House of Cards, worked on Gotham, Mr. Robot, Halt and Catch Fire, Law and Order Criminal Intent. I've done tons of feature films, independent films, training films, commercial modeling ads, TV commercials, narrations. And what's really cool is I love sharing information with other people. And I'm really fortunate. I'm going to get a chance to come down to Pensacola on March the 30th. I'm being brought by Izon Model and Talent, and they are sponsoring the event. And I'm going to be teaching you everything that I've learned in the past 30 plus years. You can read all about it below, but here are some of the major topics I'm going to be sharing with you. How to use your nervousness to your advantage, how to prepare before auditions, certain techniques to use when you are working with a still photographer. We're going to have a practice audition, a practice go-see, which is the audition for models. We will shoot them, I'll play them back, I'll critique them. You're going to learn how to shoot auditions from home, how to create powerful resumes, even with little to no experience, how to put together a headshot that will grab the attention of industry professionals, how to create commercial photos that will be eye-catching. It's going to be an amazing day, and because it's being sponsored by Izon Model and Talent, actually, the fee is half of my normal price. It's only $100 for you to attend. If you are attending with a child, there's no additional fee. For the adult to attend. What you want to do is click the link below, reserve a space. You can make the payment just by following the link. And I can tell you there are limited seats available, so you definitely want to register as soon as possible. This is just going to be an incredible opportunity for you to really learn how to have success in the industry. So click on the link below, and I can't wait to work with you on March the 30th. If you have any questions at all, email me at Aaron, Aaron, at howtoactandmodel.com. Click on the link, reserve your seat. I'll see you on the 30th.